I am Bhaskar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. In today's class, we are going to see uh, involutes and evolutes. What is evolute and what is that involute? We will see. Today's class, we will see what is involute and what is evolutes. What is evolute first? Evolutes. Evolute and involute. This is the topic we are going to see. Evolute and involute. Evolute and involute. So we are going to see in today's class. Right. What is first evolute? I will tell. The locus of the center of the curvature. The locus of the center of curvature of the center of curvature. The center of curvature of the given curve. Of the given curve, the given curve is called the evolute. Is called the evolute of the given curve. Of the given curve. Of the given curve. The given curve. The given curve is called involute. The curve we are calling as involute of its evolute. Of its evolute. Right. How do you simplify this involute and evolute problems means? Now I'll take first procedure. I'll give procedure to solve these evolute and involute problems. First step, y equal to f of x, y equal to f of x in parametric form. In parametric form, x equal to x of t, comma y equal to y of t, y equal to y of t. Next, second point, compute y1 and y2 in terms of t. In terms of t. What is this equation? X equal to x of t, y equal to y of t is the parametric equation. Next, after this, we will compute y1, y2 in terms of t. Next, third point, we compute x bar comma y bar for point x comma y, which will be in terms of t, which will be in terms of t. Next, fourth one, x bar equal to x of t I will take, comma y bar equal to y of t, y bar equal to y of t. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Already we know that. We eliminate t from equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 and equation 2, which results f of x bar comma y bar equal to k being a constant. constant. Now, taking locus of fifth point, taking locus of x bar comma y bar in f of x bar comma y bar. That means we'll remove x bar and y bar and we'll write that one as f of x comma y equal to k. F of x comma y equal to k will be required evaluate will be required evaluate of the given curve y equal to f of x, which being referred as the involute, which being referred as the involute, So this is the procedure. I have not given here formulas. What are the formulas previously we used? Center of curvature. That formulas only we will use here also. Center of curvature formulas I will write here. Say center of curvature formulas we have been used. That formulas only we are going to use here. Now the same formulas only we will use to find x bar and y bar. Formulas for this involute and evolute also. Formulas, the same formulas. What is that? X bar equal to x minus y1 divided by y2 into 1 plus y1 square, and next one should be and y bar equal to y plus 1 plus y1 square divided by y2 This is the formulas we are going to use for this one also. Actually, already these formulas we used in the center of curvature. This is center of curvature formulas. Now we can take. See, if they will give in the parametric form, what is that parametric form means? Already I told that. See, x equal to x of t, here t is the parameter. Y equal to y of t, t is the parameter. Whenever x equal to x of t, y equal to y of t, but t is the parameter means we can take the suitable substitutions to simplify these equations. Okay. So name of the curve. Name of the curve. And next one should be Cartesian form. And next one should be parametric form. What the name of the curve is? First one should be parabola. So parabola equation should be in Cartesian form. Either y square equal to 4ax we will take, or x square equal to 4ay we will take. Any one thing we can take. Y square equal to 4ax is also parabola. X square equal to 4ay is also parabola only. Whenever y square equal to 4ax is there means I'll write x equal to at square, y equal to 2at, or x equal to 2at, y equal to at square for the given curve x square equal to 4ay. Next curve is ellipse. Second one should be ellipse. Ellipse equation of ellipse should be x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is the equation of ellipse. Now we'll write x equal to a cos t, y equal to b sin t. This is the equation of ellipse. Next one is, third one is hyperbola. In hyperbola, equation of hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Here, parametric equation is x equal to a secant t, comma y equal to b tan t. Next one is fourth one, rectangular hyperbola. Fourth one is rectangular hyperbola. So equation is, Cartesian equation is xy equal to c square, x equal to ct, y equal to c by t. This is rectangular hyperbola. Fifth one is asteroid. Asteroid is x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal to a power 2 by 3. So this equation I will consider as x equal to a cos cube t, y equal to a sin cube t. This is the parametric equations. We will use these equations in the problems. If they will give whatever the curve, parabola or ellipse or hyperbola, like that they will give, we can use the Cartesian equation that we have written. For the Cartesian equation, again we will use parametric form. From in that, here t is the parameters. Right, using this format, we'll simplify the problems. First problem I will take. First problem, find the evolute of the parabola y square equal to 4ax, There is a question. For this, we will write the solution. So, given curve is parabola. The given curve is parabola means y square equal to 4ax is parabola. Y square equal to 4ax parabola. Its parametric form is x equal to at square, y equal to 2at. X equal to at square, y equal to 2at. This is the parabola equation. Now here what I will do is say dx by dt. What is the differentiation of x with respect to t is nothing but t square is 2t, dx by dt is 2at, dy by dt. What is dy by dt is nothing but if you differentiate with respect to t, we will get 2a. Now from this, I have to find y1 and y2. How can you find y1 and y2 means? We know that in previous classes we have been studied at how do you find y1? So y1 is nothing but dy by dx. This dy by dx only, I'll write it as dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt. What is dy by dt is nothing but, we will take it as 2a divided by dx by dt is nothing but 2at. If you simplify this, 1 by t will get. That is, y1 equal to 1 by t I will get. y1 equal to 1 by t I will get. Right. Next, y2. This one I am going to differentiate. With respect to x. We'll differentiate with respect to x. Differentiation of y1 is y2. That means dy by dx, that only I am writing as d square y by dx square. D square y by dx square. D square y by dx square is nothing but differentiation of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square into differentiation of t with respect to x is dt by dx. dt by dx. That only I will write minus 1 by t square into dt by dx. I know that the value of dx by dt. I don't know the value of dt by dx. That only I will write dx by dt. I will write minus 1 by t square whole divided by dx by dt is, what the dx by dt is 2at. Now I'll write y2 equal to d square y by dx square equal to minus 1 divided by 2a into t cube. This is the value of y2, the value of y2. Now I found out y1 and I found out y2. So I have to find x bar and y bar. X bar equal to x minus y1 divided by y2 into 1 plus y1 square. Y bar equal to y plus 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. So this is the formulas in the center of curvature, we know that. So now I'll substitute x bar equal to, what is that x? I know that x is nothing but 2. X is what? Already I know that x equal to at square, y equal to 2at, we know that. And y1, y2 here only we found out. Now x bar equal to, x is nothing but at square, y1. What is that value of y1? y1 is nothing but 1 by t. Divided by y2 is nothing but minus 2 divided by at cube into 1 plus y1 square, 1 plus 1 by t whole square. Now x bar equal to at square minus, if we take to the numerator this one, you will get plus 2at cube divided by t is nothing but 2at square into 1 plus 1 by t square. Now if I simplify this, x bar equal to at square plus 2at square to 80 square. Simplify this, so you can multiply this 280 square plus 2at square divided by t square. Now you will get x bar equal to at square plus 2at square plus 2a. Now you will write x bar equal to 2a plus 3at square. X bar equal to 2a plus 3at square. This is the value of x bar. Similarly, y bar equal to, what is that y value? We know that y value is 2at plus 1 plus y1. The value of y1 is 1 by t, 1 by t whole square divided by y2 is nothing but y2 minus 1 divided by 2at cube. Now I'll write y bar equal to 2at 1 plus t square. If you will take to this numerator, this one you will get minus 2a into t cube you will get. Sorry, 1, this is 1 plus 1 by t square. I have written only 1 plus 1 by t square. Now, if you will multiply this, y equal to, if you will multiply this, y equal to, sorry, y bar equal to 2at plus, if you will multiply this, minus 2at cube minus 2at cube divided by t square. Now y bar equal to 2at minus we'll simplify this, 2a minus 2at cube. Here minus 2at cube divided by t square is minus 2at. Now I'll write y bar equal to, I'll write as minus 2at cube. This is the value of y bar. One is x bar, another one should be y bar. Now, from this is nothing but x bar and y bar I found out. Afterwards, I have to find involute. This is evolute I found out. Involute I have to find. How do you find involute? I have to eliminate in any one of the equations. This equation, any one of the equation I will take, and I have to eliminate this. If I eliminate this t value, then I'll get the required equation. That is the involute. So now that's the way I will take this x bar equation as equation 1 and this y bar equation as equation 2. Now x bar equation is equation 1, y bar equation is equation 2. Now from equation 1, from equation 1. I'll write x bar equal to, this is x bar equal to 2a plus 3a t square, x bar minus 2a, x bar minus 2a divided by 3a equal to t square. 3a equal to t square. Next one should be y bar equal to minus 2a t cube. Y bar equal to minus 2a t cube. From in this, what I'll take, I'll raise the powers on both sides because here t cube is there, here t square is there. I may not substitute this. So that's the way what I will do for this equation. This is equation 3 I will consider. For this equation, raising powers, 3 by 2 on both sides. On both sides. If you will raise powers are 3 by 2 on both sides, you will get x bar minus 2a divided by 3a whole power 3 by 2 equal to t square whole power 3 by 2. Now you will write x bar minus 2a whole divided by 3a whole power 3 by 2 equal to t cube. This equation I will take it as equation number 4. I will use equation number 4 in equation 4 in what is that y bar. In y bar, what is that y bar here? This is a y bar. Here why I am using y bar equation only. Here t cube value I know that. So that's only to get t cube value only I use this method. So now t cube is nothing but now in the place of now I can use equation 4 in y bar. Y bar equal to minus 2a into t cube. What is the t cube is nothing but you know that x bar minus 2a divided by 3a whole power 3 by 2 whole power 3 by 2. Now if I'll simplify this, y bar squaring on both sides you can do y bar whole square equal to minus 2a whole square into x bar minus 2a whole divided by 3a whole power 3 by 2, that whole square I'll write. Now y bar whole square equal to minus 2a whole square is 4a square, x bar minus 2a whole cube divided by 3a whole cube you will get. That one I will write it as 27a cube I will write. 27a cube. Now y bar whole square equal to 4a square divided by 27 should be 4 by 27a into x bar minus 2a whole cube. Now 27a into y bar whole square equal to 4 into x bar minus 2a whole cube. 4 into x bar minus 2a whole cube. Now remove that. Now taking the locus of x bar and y bar. So here this will remove this x bar and y bar. So if you will remove that x bar and y bar, now by taking the locus of x bar comma y bar, we obtain the required evolute given by. That means we are replacing that y bar and x bar. We will get 27a into y square. 27a into y square equal to 4 into x minus 2a whole cube, which is the required solution for the given equation. See, first what I have done in this problem, so this is the way of proceeding the problems. What I have done, so the given equation should be y square equal to 4ax. I took, whenever the parabola means already I have given what is the parametric equation, x equal to 80 square, y equal to 280 I have done. First I differentiated x with respect to t, y with respect to t. dx by dt is 280, dy by dt is 2a. Next, y1 we will write in the 12th standard if people has been studied it. So y1 you will write dy by dx. The dy by dx only dy by dt divided by dx by dt we can write. So now that is what is that? Dy by dt is 2a, dx by dt is 280. We will get 1 by t. Y1 is 1 by t. Then again y1 we will differentiate with respect to x. We will differentiate with respect to x. Y1 we will get y2. Y2 is d square y by dx square. But here 1 by t is there we are differentiating. We'll differentiate 1 by t. You will get differentiation of 1 by t with respect to x is minus 1 by t square into dt by dx. What is the dt by dx only? I'm writing as dx by dt. Minus 1 by t square into dx by dt is 2at. So y2 is d square y by dx square is minus 1 divided by 2at cube. Next, we know that how do you simplify this? So we have been simplified by using x bar equal to what? Y bar equal to formulas. There I substituted and I simplified. So if I simplify this, you will get x bar value, y bar value. Once you will get x bar and y bar, from in this I have to eliminate the t value. How do you eliminate the t value? So both equations I consider as equation 1 and equation 2. From equation 1, I simplified and I found out t square value. Then this y bar equation I kept as it is. For this t square equation, here t cube is there. I have to make this t square as t cube. So for that sake, I raising powers 3 by 2 on both sides I have done. So if you raise powers 3 by 2 on both sides, we will get x bar minus 2a divided by 3a whole power 3 by 2 equal to t square whole power 3 by 2. You will get that t cube value. Once I will get this t cube value, I substituted here in the y bar equation. I simplified that equation. After simplification, I got it this much. That is y bar square equal to 4 divided by 27a into x bar minus 2a whole cube. I remove that x bar and y bar locuses. This is the required evolute. This is evolute and this is involute. X bar and y bar is involute. This is evolute. 27ay square equal to 4 into x minus 2a whole cube, which is the required evolute.